So congratulations, you have made it to our fourth project that we're doing together. So in this project, we will write a Java program that finds the reverse of a given string. So in the string project, right-click on the string package and select New Class. Specify the class name as reverse string, and then select the checkbox for the main method. And of course, we will use the scanner class so that we can get input from the user in Java. Now first, of course, we need to import the scanner class. So we choose Import Scanner Class in the java.util package to import the scanner class. And we get a message to enter the string by using the print method. So we declare a variable string with string type and assign the next line method of the scanner class to this string. Now the next line method is used to read the whole line. And we declare a variable length with the int type and assign the length of the string by using the length method. So let's declare another variable, reversed string with the string type, and its initial value is empty. Now we start to write a for loop. Now in for loop, we declare a variable I, and we assign length 1 as the expression to this new variable I. The loop condition is I is greater than or equal to 0, and I is decremented by 1. We use the char_at method to extract characters from the given string and then concatenate them in reverse order to reverse the string. So in the print method, we will display the resulting value of the reversed string. And we can close the scanner object. Okay, are you ready? Let's run the code. So let's enter the string Java is easy. So yeah, our string is reversed and displayed. What do you think? So in this program, we read a string from the user. Then, in for loop, we obtain the characters of the original string from the end by using char_at as the method of the string. And then, we concatenate them into a new string by using the plus operator. And then finally, we print the reversed string.